having a shitty day. I've just dropped the bike again. Didn't have the cameras on. I don't know whether that's unfortunate. Unfortunate for you. Probably fortunate for me. I just got it out the garage, or the bit on the side that I use as a bike garage. Put it on its side stand, and my driveway is on a bit of a slope. Now normally I'd quite happily get off the bike, stick it on its side stand, no problem. Only a couple of days ago I stuck one of those feet extenders to make the side stand footprint wider, thinking it was going to make it more stable. What it actually does is makes the bike stand up a bit more upright. So it I put it on its side stand, and I was just wiping some muck off of the silencer, the end can, and I thought it's starting to lean. So I went round, grabbed it and walked round to the other side to see whether the stand was still out, and it started to go, and with this dicky shoulder I couldn't hold it. So over she went. So I didn't even bother trying to pick it up on my own, because I can't. And luckily my neighbour was in, so I gave him a tap and he said alright, and I just pointed at the bike. He went, oh, not again. So I don't know, I don't know whether I'm going to have to get rid of it and perhaps get something smaller, lighter. I mean, it is a heavy bike. Versys. The problem is it's perfect for me. It takes a lot of weight, and I am a lot of weight. It's comfortable, it's quick, so I don't know, perhaps maybe have a look at an 800 or something. I think it would be such a, I don't want to say come down, because smaller bikes aren't a come down, but having gotten used to this, how well it handles, how quick it is, it's an ideal bike for me. I'll go stick some petrol in her, I suppose. That way. Yeah. Some idiot coming out the wrong way. £35 virtually. So all of you that bitch about 18 and 20 and 22 quid filling it up, I had 2 bars already in the tank, so that's probably 10 quid's worth. And it's just put nearly 35 quid in. So stop your bitching. how many people have gone straight on there and straight into there. The old mills. There's a place, a site just outside of Dorchester called Maiden Castle. It's an old Iron Age fortress. Normally gets quite busy with people up there walking the dogs and everything. Now it does say that you can't take off and land a drone on their property. And it says you can't fly over it. I've had a look at the drone assist map. There's absolutely no restrictions whatsoever for flying over there. There's no flight paths around, no airports, it's not government buildings, no military facilities. That's it up there, look, with the ridges and everything. I'm terrified of dropping this thing again. I'll show you quickly what we did. The boxes weren't on, luckily, when it went over, but I was cleaning the can, and I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. You can see scuff marks on here, but then that's what they're for. I only put them on a few days, or sorry, had them put on a few days ago. So scuff that. I've got new spotlights, auxiliary lights, and it's also scuffed the mirror. But other than that, we got away lightly. Could have been a lot worse. And all because of that down there, that new Bigfoot. It's ideal when the bike's leaning right over like that. I don't know. So I think helmet off. We'll just bung the drone straight up in the air and we'll see what the wind's like. If it's not too bad, we'll whip it over Maiden Castle. Back in a mo.